Your smart desk deserves a clever companion like this one. This sleek monochrome display blends effortlessly into your setup's vibe, quietly sharing the current date, room temperature and humidity, your YouTube subscriber tally, plus video views and recent uploads, alongside your favorite quote. And with a single tap on the top button, it flips to a fresh screen packed with weather insights, today's conditions, and a full week's forecast ahead, all powered by whisper quiet efficiency that sips battery life for months without a single line of code. Say hello to the reTerminal E1001 from Seed Studio, the ePaper dynamo reshaping what desk accessories can do. We've got our hands on this ePaper marvel straight from Seed Studio. Alright, let's dive right in and unbox it. The device arrives in Seed's classic eco-friendly packaging, crisp, understated, and straight to the point with zero unnecessary extras. First up, the star itself. Wow, stunning! Those 7.5 inches of razor sharp monochrome e-paper wrapped in a tough metal shell. It tips the scales like your smartphone but exudes that high end polish. The boot screen greets you warmly with the model's branding, Seed Studios logo, and handy getting started tips. Flip it over and you'll spot the micro SD slot, the power toggle switch, and the USB-C port for effortless charging. Up top, tactile buttons handle navigation, a discrete mic waits for voice commands down the line, and a handful of GPIO pins beckon your inner DIY sorcerer. Next, the Quick Start Guide, a compact fold out card loaded with QR codes linking straight to the wiki. There's also a 3D printed stand complete with screws and even a screwdriver. Talk about thoughtful. A reliable USB-C cable rounds it out for charging, and that's your lot. No hidden surprises in the box. Out of the box verdict, a solid 9 out of 10. You've got everything to hit the ground running, and that included screwdriver. Total curveball, most brands skip it entirely. Now, let's peek under the hood and uncover what's powering this metallic masterpiece. At its core, the ESP32 brain paired with a Winbond NOR flash for storage. Nearby, an NXP-RTC chip keeps time ticking accurately, backed by its own dedicated battery. The microSD holder sits ready, alongside the main power toggle. The USB-C receptacle handles charging duties, feeding into a connector for the 2000 mAh battery. That's roughly half the juice of your iPhone's pack. Moving on, the display interfaces. Dual connectors here, though just one is fitted. Smart move for supply chain resilience. If sourcing hiccups hit one, they can pivot to the other without a hitch. It's a tried and true tactic in manufacturing. Then comes the antenna magic. It's cleverly routed via a UFL connector and bonded to the enclosure lid for optimal reach. Here's the clever twist. The entire shell is metal, which we all know plays havoc with radio signals. To counter that, they've carved out a plastic slot right where it counts, letting those Wi Fi waves escape freely without a whisper of blockage. Man, how do engineers dream up designs this slick? If you're looking to build something like this from the ground up, Altium and the Altium Student Lab can help you do it. Altium is a leading provider of PCB design software which helps electronics or hardware designers like me to bring concept to production and deploy in the field. Similar to Apple, Altium has introduced a new strategy to help students like you to gain practical skills, build your expertise, and develop the confidence that requires to excel in hardware design industry. By taking advantage of these opportunities, you can land in internships, scholarships, and exciting career prospects with the leading names in electronics and hardware design domain. This approach allows you to tackle real world projects and challenges, sharpening your problem solving skills and preparing you for a successful career during an academic tenure.
Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your existing skills, Altium Student Labs will guide you every step of the way. Joining the Altium Student Program is a fantastic way to enhance your skills and prepare for a career in electronics design. Plus, it's a great addition to your resume.
Alright, back cover secured, time to roll into the getting started guide. To kick things off with the display, we'll first link it to your Wi Fi network and input your credentials. But hold up, power it on first. Watch for that green LED to glow, signaling it's alive and kicking. Snag your phone and join the Wi Fi hotspot the device broadcasts. Something like reTerminal E1001 MAC address. No sweat. From there, wrap up the Wi Fi setup in your browser. Once that's locked in, a pairing code will pop up on the screen. Now, swing over to the SenseCraft website to link and program your new buddy. Fire up a Google search for SenseCraft HMI, head to the site and log in, or sign up if it's your debut visit. Jump to the Workspace tab and hit Add Device. Enter a name for it, punch in that pairing code, and tap Create. Paired and ready, the display will mirror this confirmation screen. As it comes online, you'll spot the battery status plus live reads from the built in temp and humidity sensor, along with the crisp 800 by 480 resolution stats. Let's test the waters with some photo uploads. Hit add photos, then upload files and select files. Boom, your image lands in the queue. Click preview to see a mock-up of how it'll render. On the device, it'll look sharp and inviting. Now deploy it straight over. And there it is, beaming on the display. Pure elegance in grayscale. The ePaper's subtle ghosting adds this hypnotic ink on paper charm that's impossible to beat. It's like art that updates itself, low key luxurious for any desk. Now let's queue up another shot. Same drill, preview and deploy. Oops, the device is dozed off into sleep mode. No biggie, just nudge the top button to rouse it. There we go. Uploaded flawlessly. Hit the next button and voila. Cycle back to the first image, rinse and repeat to craft a seamless slideshow. Endless eye candy with zero effort. That's a wrap for this installment. The runtimes stacked up nicely. We've unboxed, torn down, set up, and splashed some visuals, but the real magic awaits. Crafting that custom dashboard for YouTube subs, real time local temp, and humidity, plus the date, all no code via SenseCraft HMI. We'll dive deep into that powerhouse build, plus ESP home tweaks and more hacks in the next episode. Smash that subscribe button so you don't miss it. Drop your dream dashboard ideas in the comments, and I'll catch you there. Thanks for joining the ride. Stay creative.